Jason. Go spray the birthday girl 13 times.
Spray the birthday girl?
Yes.
She'll put my head underwater.
No, she won't. I won't let her.
Don't let her.
I am so loud.
Go spray it 13 times. Say it's from Uncle.
I'm pretty sure that
Calendar's not fun. I forgot it.
But Auntie won't let her do it either.
I'm sorry. I can't read. I'm sorry. Oh my god, it's so funny. It's not explained to you how funny. I can have it so bad. This is great. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Gosh, I'm not gonna. Oh, how's it burn?
That's one.
Help me. Here, come here.
13 more to go, Jason.
Stop! I can do it. Please.
don't need to be mean.
Oh, you're 14. Oh. Excuse you. Make it stop. It hits the bug.
Now that's funny.
I hate when the dead wasps are just like laying there in the water. Like, just get in my hair. Stop it! Stop it, Ron! Right now!
Stop it.
At least mine wasn't that far.
What did she do to you?
She put my head underwater.
I didn't even hurt him.
Here, Jason.
How do you like it?
May I?
Yeah.
I can't for him.
Why?
Because I'm totally not.
Well, that's not fair.
Have it on. Here, let me show you how to pull it.
Everything is delicious. I haven't eaten all day.
I'm eating right now.
I don't have any soda.
Let me see and I'll show you.
Nothing happens. They're just plastic.
Don't they sink?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, snap, I'm gonna do that.
Flip it around.
Drake Bell is stupid. Josh is better. Fat Josh is the best. Fat Josh never compared to Skinny Josh. Ever, ever. Okay.
Flip him around.
What is that? What is that you're doing, Jason? What was that you just did?
I made a picture of X.
X. What is X?
X is like a thing where you can dig by the middle of the X and there's treasure.
Oh, yeah.
You mean if I dig right there, I'm going to find treasure?
Yeah. If
Right
you see
here?
a X-
Right?
No,
There's treasure?
No. If you find the X
Good.
like this,
Oh my god.
you would find.
So you mean if they were floating in an X on the water, you'd find treasure underneath it?
It's gonna take time to win. I want to throw up.
Go get him, Jason.
What?
Go get him.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Oh, that was.
They're not fish. Jay thinks they're fish.
Throw it, Reagan.
Jason, that's what's in the water.
That noise.
You should have got like hundreds and thousands of them and filled the
Came up
pool.
with one.
I didn't grab it. I drugged in with it. I was gonna do cool twirly things
That
underwater.
makes things worse.
Oh god, I didn't drug in with my phone.
It actually feels kind of nice.
No, you didn't. Okay. How do you not know if you jumped into the pool with your phone or not? I don't know. I tend to put it places on my body that phones don't belong.
Wow.
In the least sexual way possible.
Underwater, can I glow sticks?
They're not yours. They're mine.